I just got done meeting with a friend at a new cute little coffee shop, and I noticed that one of my favorite beaches was right down the street. Obviously, I went there. Let's go look for some rocks and sea glass. Look at this beautiful willow tree. It's so magnificent and large. I love it. The waves are really strong today, so I don't really know what I'll be able to find, but let's go see. Yes, I'm in socks and sandals. I had my Uggs on, but wasn't going to walk in the sand in my Uggs. Look at all the rocks. Yay! She is powerful today. Found such good rocks, and I've been here for maybe like 25 minutes. I want to stay longer, but I don't have anywhere else to put my rocks. Filled up my whole container, and I did not find any sea glass, which I'm really actually bummed about because this beach usually has like the best sea glass. You do not see any. I think the waves are just a little too powerful, washing it all back into the lake. But I did find some awesome rocks here. There's so many good rocks here. All the rocks that I found so many cool rocks. I can't even explain it or go through all of them. It would take forever, but there is insane rocks. Some of these literally look like they're from a freaking crystal store, but no, they're literally just from Lake Michigan. Oh yeah, this one has super cool quartz like pockets. This one, I don't know what that is. Like, so cool. They're freaking awesome. Like, look at these. Are you kidding me? Like, what the hell? Unreal. Absolutely unreal. All the cool rocks make up for not finding sea glass this time around, but wow.